Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove bank account from Prizepicks. So here on the official website, we can see this article, how do I remove or replace a payment method associated with my Prizepicks account. So it's going to tell us that you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. So you will need to have waited essentially 2 months since your first deposit to remove payment method. All we have to do is log into your account and tap on the deposit button in the top right corner. So it should be here, the hamburger menu icon. You can see next to sign up, and once you are on the deposit page, you should see a trash can icon. Click on the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. You may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account, and that's how you remove your bank account from Prizepicks. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.